Welcome to Module 3. In this module, we'll be showing you what you need to do before you start to strip your seat and how to remove the base. Then, how to remove the old cover. You'll need a camera, a hex and torque set, and a socket set. First, check all around your seat, especially for damage. If this is a customer's seat, you need to draw attention to any cracks on the trims, damage or mechanical parts that are not working. Check all around. Look for any obvious signs of damage. At this stage, also look for any obvious damage under the cover, which you can see on this seat. Something is not pulling properly, as you will see when we take the cover off. Have a look at how you may start to take the seat apart. Sometimes you don't need to remove all the trim. At this stage, decide where the pattern panels will sit. Where you see a line across the seat, this will be an internal bar that will need to be put back in place. Take lots of photos. The more you have, the better. Include as many angles as you can. Anything that will help you to remember how fixings attach and any damage. This will help you when putting your seat back together later. This seat has 2 plastic screws that release the trim and 4 hex screws that release the base from the frame. Undo these. This is where you need your hex and torque set and socket wrench. Once you have undone all of these, your base will just lift off. Keep your bolts and screws all together safe. Look around the base of the removed seat and take more photos. On this seat, there are folds at the front. Take photos of how these look for later, and a general photo of the base and how it should look when you are finished. Remember, the more photos, the better. Now take your screwdriver and gently prise open the grips that hold the plastic strips to the base. This will help you to remove the plastic strip. Do this all the way around the base. The plastic strip should bend back on itself, loosening the cover ready for you to remove. Start to peel back the cover in one corner, which will make it easier. Work your way around, turning the cover inside out until you get to the middle where the bars are holding the cover on. Now you will need your pull bar. Use your pull bar to remove the internal bars from the foam. The pull bar has a hook on the end. Use this to help you pull one way and push the other to unhook the bar. Remove all the bars. This cover has been held on with bars. Another type of fixing is hog rings. They are attached over two bars. One bar on the holder, the other one in the seat foam or base. To remove them, use long nose pliers or snips to twist and remove them. Well done! Your cover is now ready for the next step.